Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to know who viewed my Telegram profile. So first of all, launch Telegram application, then tap on settings option at the bottom right corner. Now from here you can see various options on your Telegram account. You can also go to the option of privacy and security, and you can edit your privacy settings like this over here mentioned according to your preferences. So right now you cannot see the option to know who has viewed your profile on Telegram, and it is not available to you on the application. So you would need to wait until that feature is enabled to you by Telegram group. So if that feature is not available to you in your application, you won't be able to know who has viewed your profile. However, you can definitely edit your privacy settings if you wish to. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.